Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to change country on Zara app. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your Zara app. Now, on the main screen, go to your profile by clicking on the icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, we will click on the settings found on the top right corner. As you can see, I am currently located in the Philippines. So if you click here, and then you can see two options here. If you want to change your location or change your language, click on the location. And then the Zara app will show you a list of all the possible locations in which you can change your country on. So once done, click on save. And that's it. Well, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!